Okay, so this is the unboxing of my new Moo business cards. Business cards by Moo. Comes in this nice little container. A little card that says, "Thanks for being lovely." Always nice to have appreciation for my business. Greetings for meetings. I think this is their tagline. It's mentioned a couple times in the paperwork. So I got 50 cards. They're all paper sourced from sustainable forests. Structure made from recycled pulpboard. And all of it is recyclable as well. Let's take this out. Set this aside. So your Moo business cards are hand-packed to make sure they arrive in top condition. We made them from paper sourced from sustainable forests and packaged them in 100% recycled and recyclable pulp box. But enough about Moo. What are you up to? Let us know at moo.com/Twitter. Just FYI, this is not an ad. I'm not sponsored by Moo at all, but I've heard good things about them in the past, and thought I'd give it a shot for my new business cards. Let's have a look here. So, main side with all the details. My name, Andrew Power, photographer and videographer, my phone number and email address, and my new website, www.andrewpowertower.ca. And I just updated that, so give it a look. Let me know what you think. And on the other side, a photo I took recently, this past winter, in Humber Bay Park, in Etobicoke, just outside of Toronto, and you can see the Toronto city skyline there in the distance. It'll focus. It's a little hard to see on here, but on the actual card it's quite nice. I got it printed on a glossy paper, so that's why you can see my video light in the background there, reflecting. I find it's less of a classic style and much more modern. I didn't really care for the old style business cards that are just matte paper. This seems a bit more durable. Like, you could drop this in water or whatever, it could get a little bit wet and it'll still be good and still read all of my information. Yeah. So that is that. I got 50 cards. They're all the same image. It also comes with this divider here to separate between my business cards and theirs, which I assume is other people's business cards. Yeah. And that is, I think, it. I doubt that I'll actually use this holder. It's particularly gray. I guess we can take all this stuff out. That's nice. Focus there. Nice Moo written on there. Their logo. I don't know why it's a water droplet instead of a cow or something, but that's Moo. I think in reality I will actually just stick a few in my wallet and hand them out as needed. But leaving them at home, I'll put them in this. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, so if you're interested, check out moo.com. They got some really good deals on business cards. These ones, I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I it was like 25 cents per card or something. So, I mean, it's kind of expensive, but I feel it's worth it. Especially when you're starting out and want to network and hand out business cards. I mean, I've been asked for my business card multiple times, and I've never had one before. I've always just been an amateur photographer, videographer, just shooting for fun, and now I'm moving into a much more professional role. And I thought that it would be a good idea to have professional business cards so I can hand them out. It also helps a lot if you're doing some shooting in an area where you're not really supposed to be shooting. And someone asks you for a business card, and it makes you look a lot more like a professional and less like some kind of creep. And yeah, that's it for me. And give me a look at andrewpowertower.ca. Let me know what you think. Alright, see ya.